we are going to perform the Paws task. There's a new task which we're expected to perform, but the first task has been performed. So I'm going to do the turn transaction. We need 0.1 to maximum of 10 turns to perform this task. So whichever one that is suitable for you, the more turn you include, the more you increase your turn, the more you are able to unlock the third and the fourth task. So I am going to add a W pause. So once I add it, they will direct me to my turn keeper to make payment. So the minimum you can make is 0.1 ton. And think they have up to 10 tons to make. So the higher ton you pay, the higher the reward you are going to get. So let me do the add a W pause. You can see if I take it to the maximum, that is 10 tons. I don't have up to 10 tons. I'm going to limit myself to 0.1 ton. So that is what. Let's click send. So it is not mandatory that you increase your ton. So they are giving us minimum. For me, minimum is okay. And also the first task, you can perform that one also before you do this one, so that you claim the reward they gave there, 1,000 pros. So after that, so I have 4 point something $4.95 here. So luckily I have 0.15. So we can do the transaction. The transaction is not going. What happened? Let me go back again. Okay, let me retry. Let's wait for it to connect. Let's retry it again. Okay, so I'm going to connect it, require my password. Okay, all right, where the transaction confirm. Let's be patient and see how it will go. The transaction is loading. So let me make the payment now. Since it has loaded, input my password. Okay, we have done the transaction. Let's confirm it from the site. Let's go back and confirm it. Okay, good. So let me claim the 30,000 plus they are going to give. So the first one did not go through. So let me repeat it again. So you have to tap on it, check to claim. You tap on it twice, you claim it, you get the first but the second one you check again, you tap twice, to claim, you tap again. This is the third one, reach third milestone. So you tap on it twice, you claim again. Now the fourth milestone, we tap on it, this one. Okay, we have claimed the fourth milestone. So we have done we have done the turn transaction, reach fifth milestone. This one is not yet ready. So now we have lucky block and the mystery box. So the higher the number of turns you make or you send, will enable you receive the lucky block and the mystery store quest. So I did 0.1 ton. So if they will open it or not, that is the limit I can go. So if you have more than 0.1 ton, you can try it if you can get the lucky block or mystery quest. I know the higher the ton you send, the opportunity you have to receive either of them, the lucky block and the mystery quest. So for the first two, I am done with those ones. So the fifth milestone, I will come back to check it and see what they have there. So this is how to complete this task. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I make a new video. Also like and share this video. You can